7, 8, 10.
Hey guys, it's JoJo, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the slimes that I have. So, if this is like weird, and I don't know if it's like going to be the actual introduction, I switched over my phone, but everything is switched over to the same phone from the last phone. I don't know if that's confusing or not, but I did that, and yeah, so I did that, and I'm hoping it's still the same thing. But if it's not, I'm JoJo. My real name's Jordan, and yeah. My hair kind of fell. My hair is not the best right now. It's just a pain in the butt. But I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. Well, not all my slimes, but most of my slimes. Make sure I have the ones. Okay, I think I might be missing one. So oh, it's right here. Okay, well, I thought I was missing one, but I wasn't. Okay, so I'm going to show you this one. This one is a Crazy Art clear glue and Tide, so it is blue and it smells like Tide. It's not my best slime because it really didn't work. I needed borax for it, not Tide or contact lens solution. Oh, I got borax all over my table yesterday. This is my slime table. So I didn't get all of them out, but I'm gonna try and find a way to get my thing to where it's just showing the table. But for right now, this is what I have. So this is my slime. It's really stiff, but it's pretty stretchy. It's nice to feel, though. I have to say, it's a pretty nice slime. It's just not stretchy. It's like a squeezable slime. It's basically squeeze slime. But it makes my hands feel really dry. So I feel like it's just taking all of that moisture out of my hands. So I don't really like playing with this one, but I made this one this weekend, which was somewhere around that time, I don't know. So if you guys see it a little bit before it goes, then should be able to see. But if you guys like, I might be doing a slime shop. So if I can get 15 likes on this video, or 10 to 15 likes on this video, or more, I will see if I can get a slime shop up. So then I got my glitter glue slime. Oh, I don't know how well this one's going to be because it looks like a package even got opened. I will always use Elmer's glue, it's just that the one I got from somebody. This one's usually like a really stretchy, and it's like super glittery, and it's a pink one. So, and I might do a slime smoothie soon when I start making some more slimes. When I make a couple more slimes, I'll do a slime smoothie, and then I'll see some other challenges with it. So I think I'll show you my fluffy slime next. This one is a little stiff. Like, some of these are pretty stiff. This one, I don't know. It's not as stiff now because I left it in the packaging for a while. But it's like this really pretty, like, I wanna say teal, but it's not really teal. It's like a light blue. It's a fluffy slime. It smells pretty good. I like this one because it feels nice in my hands. And it's wet, so it's not taking all that moisture out of my hands. Make sure you guys go check out my musicals, though. That's never said before. No spaces. Oh. Okay, so this is my, like, not exactly pink, like real pigmented or metallic. It's like I took eyeshadow. Let's just say that. I wanted to make it at least look kind of pigmented. It's supposed to be like a gold, but it kind of adds to match because I made this one yesterday. I made this one with my clear glue that I showed you guys in the beginning. This one I used borax on, so it's a really good slime. So long. Got more in here. I had to use a big bag because that's all we had at the moment, so that's what I got. I can't get it because it's like stuck in the corner, and usually it's really easy, but like my fingers are getting too big for this, and I can't, and it like keeps wrinkling as I'm trying to get it. The other videos, why they were so short is because like we couldn't, it timed you because of the storage. And like it just times me all the time, so I had to make very rare videos. But this one I can do pretty good amount of the time for a video. So I have this big one right here. Okay, so this is a slime that I made. It is super stretchy on the camera. It looks not as pretty, but it is super pretty off camera. If you actually look at it, it's darker and it looks like real pigmented metallic type slime, and we're gonna try the pokey test. The other ones were, I don't know, they were just too stiff. Sorry guys, so I'm gonna do this, make our twisty. Okay, now here's the pokey test. Let's bring it a little closer, guys. Oh, I should bring it more this way. Okay. That's some good pokes. That's some pretty good slime. I like this slime. I'd say this is one of my favorites. I got this one. Oh, what's stuck in my head? This one I made yesterday too. This one's just a regular clear slime. It's supposed to sit out, so like sit in the bag for a few days. It's sat in the bag for about a day now, for about a full day now. So I gotta get this out. It's bigger slime, so. Ugh. Got stuck in my fingernails. The other ones I made, we turned into silicone because of the slime, because I used contact lens solution. So it turned into like silicone, not exactly silicone, but like felt like silicone. Silicone is like a rubbery, like breakable, weird thing. I don't know. Sorry, it's taking me so long, but it like all spreaded everywhere. Doing this. We might play Hello Neighbor soon when my old phone gets charged and we can play music on it because I'll be recording on this. So that's about all I can get out of it. Like little tiny pieces left. It's not going to really get affected. Here's my clear slime. It's really good. I love this slime. I like hair on it. Stop. Okay, so now I'm going to do I do this so it's like better. Okay, so here it is now. There's some pretty good pokes, and the pokes like come back in. It's really cool. I definitely would prefer Elmer's glue because it's not like super stretchy. Okay, so one more slime, which I actually made today. It's a small one for a video to test something, to see if fluffy slime would actually, if you put shaving cream and then just contact lens solution, would it actually make slime without putting baking soda in it? Emma! This is really nice. So, here's the color. It's like a pale pink. On camera, it doesn't look like it's real color. I got jewels in it, as you can probably tell. It's a really good pokey slime though. It's still a little too sticky, so I think I'll add more contact lens solution to that one. But I've got jewels in it. Sooner or later, one of the jewels will fall out. Like 3 of them have fallen out today. Here's a red jewel. It's covered in slime, but I made a jewel. Still too sticky. So I'm just gonna add a tiny bit because I don't want it to be too like not good, too weird. One of the jewels just fell out. Too like stiff because some people like go to add stuff and they add way too much. And yeah. Another one just fell out. There's one without slime on it.
Why did you kick her?
Okay, so I'm going to do the poke test now. Okay, this one did not really do what I wanted it to do, so.
Go upstairs now.
I love this one. Because it doesn't like pop back up or anything. It's like a good Elmer's glue slime. I still have more Elmer's glue, so I might just make more and just add it into this one. Such good slime. I love this one. So that was all my slimes for today. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. And if you guys like this video, give it to 15 likes, 10 to 15 likes, at least 10. I will do some more challenge videos. In my next one, we should be doing, either I'll be doing another one or I'll be waiting to do a challenge, like, not challenge, but like, doing the game Hello Neighbor in real life. So, yeah. Yeah. I didn't do too many videos while I was in Kentucky, so we were going to play Hello Neighbor. We didn't have, like, anything to record on. So we didn't end up being able to record that, which I'm so sorry, guys. So, I love this one. I'm still playing with the other ones. I just like, let me get rid of this one. But if you don't need baking soda, so if you're at the store and you're planning on making fluffy slime, get shaving cream, glue. It doesn't even have to be colored. The shaving cream will color it. Shaving cream, glue, contact lens solution. That's all you need to make this slime. And then the container and stuff, but like the ingredients to make it. So if you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and share, and share with your friends and family. And bye. I'll stop talking now.